Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the question which was asked in one of the videos. The question is thanks for uploading this video. I have a question regarding the ASR configuration. So this is related to the Dialogflow CX or Dialogflow integration with the Avaya, what is that? Avaya OD as a ASR, right? So the person have the question like, can we support both ES and CX flow on the same AEP? Okay. Do we need to create two ASR or one will be okay? Which project IDs will be used for ASR creation? Okay. So basically the question is, can Dialogflow ASR support both ES and CX? Okay. So question wise, right? If we go to my previous the solution that we have, right, for the ASR configurations, right, that we get, or the credential that we get from Avaya is basically belongs to one project only. Okay. And if you create a project in Dialogflow ES, so let's say this is my Dialogflow ES and my project ID is this scratch it blah blah blah. Same thing I can check over here, right? So this is my project ID, and same in the Dialogflow CX. Okay, so if I search for how to search, come on, load, yeah. Okay, so if I load scratch it, right, so see, this is a 776D92. If you see 76D92, right? So if I select over here, okay, and create an agent, and sorry, what was I saying? Okay, yeah, so create an agent over here, then it is allowed. What I am trying to say is, uh, for a Dialogflow integration with Avaya, only one ASR is supported or one ASR project is supported. Okay, you cannot have multiple projects as a ASR in Dialogflow, configured as a ASR in Avaya. Okay. Now, how to use the both project? Let's say you have one in Dialogflow ES, one in CX. So, as explained in this video, let me zoom it and change duplicate size so that I can see it clearly. So once you uploaded that Dialogflow project credentials and selected engine time as Dialogflow, right? Now you have to create two applications, right? One name it like ES and one other one give it as a CX. Okay. Now what you have to do in this vendor parameters, right? This is the section that you see over here. The project ID will remain the same that we have given the last time. So this is the configuration for the CX. Okay. For ES, you have to remove this display name and whatever the project name is there, because this is specific to Dialogflow CX. Dialogflow ES only have project ID and the agent ID does not have the display name. So yeah, hopefully I have answered the query that you have. Any further question, do put in the comment section. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.